Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from 12th towards 16 December 2022. Now US30 on a weekly time frame, after making a retest on this major key level which had multiple major retest points, it showed signs of making a breakout of that key level with further bullish momentum to continue pushing towards this next key level over here. But then again, throughout this whole week, price closed with this bearish engulfing candle, and this breakout is currently acting as a fake out over here, and price is still respecting this key level as its resistance. Now if this move like this is a fake out move over here and price is to continue pushing down, then on the bearish side we have this key level with again multiple major retest points which could be acting as US30's support on a higher time frame point of view. So if US30 is to continue pushing down, shifting towards a downtrend from this uptrend move over here, then it should make a break and close below this key level with further bearish momentum on a higher time frame point of view. Similarly, if US30 is to continue pushing up with further bullish momentum, continuing this bullish run over here, then it should respect this key level as its support without closing below it and make a breakout of this previous high with further bullish momentum. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then you can see a pretty interesting thing happening on this daily time frame. As you can see, a major pattern is being formed on this daily time frame. Let me draw it out for you guys. So as you can see on the daily time frame on US30, it's currently creating a head and shoulder pattern over here. As you can see, this left shoulder, head and right shoulder, and this being its neckline, or this could also be a neckline if price face some price rejection by making a retest on this key level. So we have our neckline over here or over here, which also aligns with our major support on the weekly time frame that we just talked about right around here. Now to have a better look at the head and shoulder pattern, if you go to 4-hour time frame, then we can see this key zone which is currently acting as US30's resistance zone in between this head and shoulder pattern in its attempt to continue pushing down. So on the upcoming week, if you see US30 continuing to respect this key zone or this key level as its resistance without closing above them and breaking and closing below this key zone on a shorter time frame like a 30 minutes time frame, then we can expect US30 to continue pushing down towards this key level over here. Even though it means that US30 closing below this key zone could be a breakout of this head and shoulder patterns neckline, but then again we have this key level which is a major support on a daily to weekly time frame. So if we see US30 on the upcoming week even closing below this key level with further bearish momentum on a shorter time frame like a 1 hour to 30 minutes time frame, then we can wait for some sort of structure to be formed over here, and then we can look for this on the breakout of that structure to avoid some fake outs over here, anticipating US30 to be shifting towards a downtrend line since it already made a breakout of uptrend line over here and already making a breakout of a major support level and also making a breakout of this higher time frame head and shoulder pattern as well. So we would have a lot of confirmations over here to look for trades on the short side if US30 break and closes below this major support level with further bearish momentum. However, if we see US30 finding support at this key zone or this key level over here without making a break and close it and continuing to form these higher lows and closing above this key zone with further bullish momentum, then we can expect US30 to still moving in respect to this uptrend move over here, and US30 might continue to create higher high on a higher time frame point of view to come all the way make a retest on this next major key level with multiple major retest points. If it continues to find support at this key level and forms this higher lows and make a breakout of this high over here. But by seeing how much of price rejection US30 is currently facing from this key level, it almost seems like a fake out move over here like this point, and US30 might continue to push down if it closes below this key level. So let's just wait to see how US30 reacts towards this key level over here or towards this key zones over here, and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side on a higher time frame point of view. So that's my analysis on US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll give a link to this trading view chart as well in the video description. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description, and I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on US30.